Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be cleaning our room. My children and I are going to be cleaning our rooms today, and this is something we love to do every Saturday. So as you can see guys, my room is so messy, and this is because I have a toddler who messes up my room. She's always all over me. She's always in my room, and this is a pack of crepes she had. She just dropped it on my table, and you can see the floor. You can see how messy this is. She packed all our toys into my rooms, and the shoe area is a little bit dirty as well. I'm gonna be dusting that area. So first thing I want to do is pick up all the toys and, put them back into their room. Next, I'm going to be opening my window to allow fresh air. And also this will help me to see clearly what I am doing. And right on my bed, I have some clothes which is already washed. I need to iron them. And I'm going to be packing those aside so I can be able to tidy up my room. And this is my children in their room, tidying up their rooms. And I don't need to do anything here because they can do it perfectly fine, even more than I do. So they are, tidying up their toy area. And this is my little one. She is just playing with her toys. And once I am done packing the clothes away, I will put my bed in order, lay my bed nice and neat. Make you no look down on anybody. As you see me, so don't be my power. After that, I will put my dressing table in a good order. My dressing table is a little bit connected to my side table. So I will just clean that area with my spray and just wipe down all the dirt. So I told you my daughter is always all over me. She is here again. She just wants attention. And the more I put her back, the more she comes back again to disturb me. Anyways, this is how we continue to wipe the whole of my desk area. And now move on to my shoe area. This area doesn't need much attention. I will just, remove all the dust, and this is something that I do every week because that area is always dusty. So once I'm done dusting that area, it is time to sweep the floor. And I love my African broom. If you've been following my cleaning video, I'm used to my African broom. Once in Nigeria is always in Nigeria. So I'm just going to use my broom to sweep my floor, and that is what I'm trying to do now. And guys, this is the finished results. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope this video inspires someone out there. Thank you so much for watching. If you are watching me for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video to friends and family, and stay connected for more interesting, fun, and entertaining videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye. Dance on the beat, on the song. My brother, God can bless anybody. Dance on the beat, on the song.
My brother, God can bless anybody.
Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye.